Hey everybody, I'm going to be doing a closet system soon. I'm going to be uploading that video in a little bit. I wanted to give you guys an overview of the stuff I was using so I could talk a little bit more in detail of what kind of material I use. This material here, all the color selections that I offer in my closet systems, a little hard to tell on some of these, but these are Finsa Gamma Duo. It's textured melamine. It's antibacterial. It's thermally fused, and it's a carb 2 product. So it's a little bit healthier of a product when you do have to cut it and all that, with all the various formaldehydes that people do put in plywoods and melamines. This is very strong stuff. They're all textured, so they're very durable. They can withstand a little bit of water, standing water on them. Not totally waterproof, but they can hold up over time. A lot of people do closets tend to like these top four. They're kind of neutral / darker colors, but has a pattern. Not too many people want the wood look. I personally like the wood look, but it has to be up to your taste. Finsa offers this product in two thicknesses, 3/4 and 3/8, or 19 millimeters and 8 millimeters. It's very durable stuff, very easy to cut. I typically use 3/4 most of the time. 3/8 I use on rare occasions for small cabinet backs, but for the most part I do full 3/4 inch backs. It gives it a stronger product overall. I do build my closet systems like cabinets for the most part. Now this is the tightest plus fasteners that I use currently for the hard to reach closets or small closets that they want a closet system in there, but you can't build a full cabinet and stick it in there, so you have to build it in the closet, and this is great for those applications. The hole will get bored in there from the CNC on the top and bottom pieces and fixed shelves, and then through the shelf peg holes, these will have a through hole or a halfway hole when there's adjoining pieces. For the through hole, this is the fastener we use. It has a little proud piece on one side, so when you first attach it, you stick it through. This will engage on this side, pull it tight. This one is a screw-in one. They do make hammer-on ones. It works just as well. I do find these are a little bit easier to do, so if the CNC forgets the drill hole, it's very easy to add that and install it.